Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our expert natural remedies and lifestyle tips. Imagine it's a beautiful summer day and you're enjoying some time outdoors with your family. Suddenly, you hear the familiar buzzing sound of mosquitoes and flies. You swat at them, but they keep coming back, making it impossible to relax and enjoy your time outside. Not only are these pesky insects a nuisance, but they can also carry dangerous diseases, putting you and your family at risk. But what if there was a natural solution to keep mosquitoes and flies at bay? That's where this recipe comes in. It's a combination of cloves, bay leaves, white vinegar, and water, all natural ingredients that work together to create a powerful insect repellent. To make the recipe, you'll need to boil the cloves and bay leaves in water for 10 minutes, then add white vinegar and mix well. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and you're ready to go. You can use this solution on surfaces around your home, and the smell of cloves will keep mosquitoes away, while the bay leaves will deter insects from reproducing. But what makes this natural recipe so effective? It all comes down to the ingredients. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has a strong scent that mosquitoes find repulsive. Similarly, bay leaves contain a natural oil that repels flies and other insects, making them an ideal natural ingredient for this repellent. In addition, the white vinegar acts as a natural cleaning agent that can help to keep surfaces clean and free of insects. Not only is this natural recipe effective, but it's also safe and eco-friendly. By using a natural alternative to chemical insecticides, you're doing your part for the environment and protecting your family from harmful chemicals. So next time you're enjoying the outdoors, remember to arm yourself with this natural recipe to keep mosquitoes and flies away. With a few simple ingredients and a little bit of preparation, you can enjoy a bug-free summer and protect your family from harm. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.